spreading. Cough or sneeze in your sleep. Stay at home if you can. Don't give this virus a chance to breathe. Never cancel your cruise. Better check your fluids too. Avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds. For hygiene. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch your face. You've got the cough, fever, breathing hard. Call your doctor now. Don't go panic shopping for stuff. Wear a mask if you're feeling sick. Please don't spread it. Don't be racist to us Asians. The enemies, not human beings. It's coronavirus. I'm Filipino. Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Don't make it a reason to panic while they work on vaccines. Know your